Hello, this video was created to help you complete your LACCD COVID-19 safety training in the Vision Resource Center. We hope this helps you answer any questions you may have as you complete the training. To access the LACCD COVID-19 safety training, you will click on the link to the training which you received in your email from the LACCD Emergency Operations Center. The link will first take you to a single sign-on page for LACCD. Here you will use the same username and password you used to log into your LACCD email account and Microsoft 365. Once you log in, you will be taken directly to the LACCD COVID-19 safety training. From here, click on Launch and work through the training, following the instructions throughout. If you have to leave the training, you can return to it later and it should pick up from where you left off. To do so, just click the same link you used to access the training initially. You can also just log into the VRC and launch it from your welcome page or from your transcript. Once you complete the training, you may want to print a certificate for your records. To do this, hover over Learning and click on My Transcript. The default view when you first see your transcript is the Active tab. Active will include any scheduled, upcoming, or in-progress activities. If you haven't completed the training, launch it from here. However, if you completed the training, it will be on your Completed tab. To view your completed activities, click Completed from the drop-down menu. On your Completed tab, you can view a certificate, which generates a custom certificate for this training and will include your name, the total time of the activity, and the completion date. If you have any questions about this training, please contact LACCD HR at hrhelpdesk@email.laccd.edu. I hope this tutorial has been useful. Please check out our other videos for more specifics on how to navigate the VRC.